Assalamu alaikum, it's Saban Zahid. My roll number is 21T51. This is my lab report 3 of digital signal processing being submitted to Surge Meal. Task 1 is for impulse sequence. In this, we have to prove that when a signal is multiplied by delta in output, we will get the same signal. This is our function of impulse sequence N0, N1, and N2. Then indexing is being used. This is our example of impulse sequence where we have taken limits from -5 to 5 and index is of 0. Then there are two windows of plot. The first is for plotting the signal and the second is for stamp signal. This is the output in the first picture. You can clearly see that a following signal is being plotted where limits are -5 to 5 and second it is for stamp signal. In task 2 is of step sequence. This is our function x of n is equal to step sequence n0, n1 and n2. This is our function being generated and this is our, and here indexing is being used. This is our example of where limits are -5 to 5, 0 is our index. Then we have two windows for subplot. The first window is for plotting the signal and the second one is for stamp function. This is our output. Now moving on to the task 3 where we have used n1 is equal to -5 and n2 is equal to 5. Subplot and hold on command is being used. Then I have used a for loop. Here we will get the pause and delay of 0.5 second as we have implemented. Then subplot for stamp, subplotting for subplot command and stamp command. Then I have assigned the value to the axis as -5 to 15 and -0.15 to 1.5. This is our output. Now moving on to task 4 where I have used n1 is equal to -5 and n2 is equal to 5. Then I have used for loop. Then I have given values to the signals where x1 is equal to 4, 1, 2, so on, x2, x3. Then I have given assigned new variables for convolution where y1, y2 and y3. Then I have used subplot for plotting. For plotting I have used subplot command. There will be pause of 0.5. Then I gave title to y1, y3, y1, y2 and y3. This is output where this is the original signal. Then y1, y2, y3 are the convolution of the x1, x2 and x3 respectively. Now moving on to task 5. In this we have to find the odd and even part of the signal. In this we want to flip our function. Now the formula to find even function is original function plus flipped version of the original function divided by 2. The formula to find odd is input signal minus flipped version of input signal divided by 2. This is our function x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here xe is showing even part, xo is odd and m is equal to flipped version. Now we have used 3 subplots windows. First is to plot the original signal and title it as original signal. Second one is to plot even part of the signal and titled as even part of the signal. Third one is to plot odd part of the signal and titled as odd part of the signal. The following is the output where you can see the original signal, even part of the signal and odd part of the signal. Now moving on to the last task of our lab report, which is t is equal, where in t I have assigned the value time interval where it is from 0 to 2 and the delay will be of 0.005. Then I have given values to f is equal to frequency to f is equal to 1. Then this is our continuous time signal. Then this is our sampling frequency which is equal to 50. Sampling time would be equal to 1 divided by f of s. Then I have used the formula of impulse train, discrete time signals. Subplot command is being used and the title will be named as continuous signal. Again subplot window is used and the title will be given as discretized signal. Let's see its output. In output we can see the continuous signal and this discretized signal. Thank you. These were the tasks of lab report 3. Allah Hafiz.